Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and doing a complete review of the Vivo wireless Sport Lite. So here's the wireless headset. Now this product is priced at 1999 rupees and it's available in two colors, blue and black. We have the blue color with us right now. Now the main highlights for this particular headset would be its overall simplistic design and the audio quality. So without any further delays, let's have a quick unboxing. So here's the box. On the front we have the product name, that's Vivo Wireless Sports Lite, along with the image of how the product actually looks like. Now on the back side we have some of the highlights like 11.2 mm moving coil. That's a small device inside the earpiece which affects the overall audio quality. Next we have battery information like 18 hours of playtime and about feather lightweight and quick assistance. Besides that, we also have some other specs. Now let's unbox it. We can just pull it from the side. And first, we have the earphones itself. They look pretty nice and feel pretty premium. Next, we have extra ear tips, followed by a USB Type-C charging cable. And finally, we have a user manual. Now first, let's have a physical overview. First, here's the band that's actually supposed to rest on your neck. It's made of some high quality plastic material and it feels pretty premium. It has a nice matte finish to it. Now following along the line, on the left side, it's just got the Vivo branding. On the right side, it's completely plain on the outer edge, and on the inner side, it is a LED light followed by 3 buttons, power and volume buttons, followed by the mic. And underneath this left module, we have the charging pin, which is covered by a flap. Now these are the earbuds, and on the inside, it has a left and right marking. Design is pretty nice. There's also a loop on each earbud, which makes it look like a kettlebell. Now for both these earbuds, there are actually magnets on the outer edge, so you can actually connect them to hold them together. Now these are the complete specifications of this headset. It weighs about 23.9 grams. It has Bluetooth 5.2 support. It has a 129 mAh battery, has IPX4 water resistance, so you can manage with light rain and some sweat. It supports fast charging and you can get up to 5 hours of playback time with just 10 minutes of charging time. And the rest are the specs related to the audio department. Now when it comes to connectivity, make sure that both the earbuds are split apart and see if the LED light is blinking. If it's blinking, it's in the pairing mode. If it's not, just press and hold the power button to turn it on. For the first time, your headset will turn on and enter the pairing mode. Now once that's done, all you need to do is just open up the Bluetooth section on your phone and search and select Vivo Wireless Sport Lite. And then you're connected. Now these earphones have the easy plug and play feature where you can connect both the earbuds using the magnets to power off the headset or just put it on standby. Once you disconnect them or just separate them, they will automatically turn on and connect to the previously paired device. Now if you have connected this Bluetooth headset to more than one device, you can easily switch between them by just pressing the volume up and volume down button both at the same time. Then your headset will disconnect with the current device and pair with the second device. So overall, connectivity process is pretty simple and I really like the easy plug and play feature. Now when it comes to functionality, this headset just has 3 buttons. One power button, volume up and volume down buttons. Now just like with any other headset, you can just long press the power button to power on or power off the headset. As for media controls, you can press the power button to play or pause a song, press and hold the volume down button to play the next song, and press and hold the volume up button to play the previous song. You can also press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to trigger Google Assistant. So that's the functionality. Now I'll start the review with the design and build. Now this headset has a pretty simple and minimalistic design. Like there isn't anything too flashy about it. It is a pretty plain and simple design. The quality of material is also pretty good. It feels pretty smooth to hold and feels quite premium. It definitely doesn't feel cheap at all, like in any way. It also got this magnetic mechanism which I really like, and we also got that plug and play feature where we can easily connect and disconnect with the device, so that's also pretty handy. As for the fit and comfort, that's also pretty good. It fits pretty comfortably in my ear, it feels pretty light, and it stays inside pretty firmly even when you shake your head rigorously. Finally, you can also use them continuously for extended period of time. I have personally used them continuously for more than 4 hours without any issues. Now when it comes to the audio quality, it is pretty good. The quality of audio that you get from this headset is really good. There is minimal to no distortion, even at maximum volume. There is obviously no active noise cancellation feature on this headset, but with enough volume, you can minimize the ambient noise. Now when it comes to the call quality, it is actually pretty good. Voice is audible, loud and clear. Ambient noise cancellation is pretty good. It reduces the noise to maximum extent. And there seems to be no issues in calls. Overall, I really don't have any complaints with this headset, especially when it comes to the calls. Now finally, when it comes to the battery department, this headset actually has 129 mAh battery and it can give you up to 18 hours of playback time. In my usage, I was easily able to get more than 12 hours of usage time. I didn't completely drain the battery, but you can definitely get more than 12 hours of usage time. You might also get better results depending upon your usage. Now this headset also supports fast charging, and with just 10 minutes of charge, you can get up to 5 hours of usage time at 50% volume. That's also pretty nice. So guys, to conclude, Vivo Wireless Spotlight is definitely a pretty good product when it comes to style, audio quality, or even battery life. It's great for regular usage and even for sports activities, whether it's for regular jogging or for the gyms. So around a price of 2000 rupees, I can definitely recommend you this product. So guys, what do you think about this product? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy it, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.